Hello, I am Tony this morning. As I said, I'm on Neath plants this morning, demonstrating how to de-root plants so they can go into pots. As I will instruct to you, that we have to orchestrate depending on the pot size, we have to de-root these plants, these roots, into a size that will fit into the pots. In showing you to de-root the roots so that will go into a specific pot, as I have here, a 25 centimetre pot for this, as we call a Packman pear, which will go into the pot. Now, because the roots are so advanced, and of course they won't fit into the pot, so I have to minimise these larger roots and clip them down to size, so then we can go then and put them into the pot. And as I'm showing you now, you can see on site that I'm minimising, so then I can start to prepare the roots to go into the pot. Don't be afraid to trim the roots down, because they will all start to germinate from the other ones, the smaller ones there. So then what we do, we try to position the pot and the plant in the middle of the pot, and slowly we just center it, and then making sure that the graft union is sort of sitting above somewhere about the pot size. So then we got about 50% of the graft union sitting above the pot level. Specifically said before, now that we've got and minimised the roots into the pot, we've got a position where part of the union, the graft union, is sort of sitting about 50% above the pot level. So then after when we've done that, we then start putting this premium pot mix into the pot and making sure that it all fills in, as you can see here. And then as I've put the soil in there, make sure you compress the soil back down so there's no air pockets in the soil. And as you can see, that the Union Jack is sitting above, a little bit above the pot level. That we've set everything from the root proportion to the size, now that we have to minimise as to balance from roots to shoots in size. And now, as we say, we look at these branches, and now we've got, we normally reduce with branches such as something like this, about 30 to 50%. And just reducing like that, 30 to 50%. You go along all the branches, as we can see that we're demonstrating now. And if you see any shoots that you need to take off and that probably are not good enough, you just reduce it to give it more strength. Reduce the branch sizes. You can try to get it all evenly spread, and just by reducing. And there we are. Once we've got that established, we then have a look, and then we'll have a look and see if we're going to have to reduce any more. So we're satisfied with all that. Then what we've got to do, because we've got the plant set up in the pot, of course it needs a very good soak. So what you do, just grab water system that you might have, and you give it a good soak. This would encourage good roots growth as it soaks in more. You just let it settle in, and everything should be fine from there on. Thank you for viewing Neath Plants on YouTube today, as hopefully I've instructed you on the preparation of these plants into pots. Hopefully it's been beneficial for your next process, and you attempting to do something like this. But I hopefully I've enlightened you with more information that would help you for your process in preparing the plans for the next process. If that, hopefully I will see you on the next YouTube for a new segment.